Hi guys, today we're doing another truck building day. Today we are doing a police van. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is build our car. Now, once we build it, we can just put that up and put it on. That bit at the back kind of looks like a microwave. Well, it's just time for a little donut. And now we can put these little thingy-biggies on. And where's our next ones? Oh, we're done. That's fine. Now we can hit it on the road with our Spectre specs. Let's go! Yeah! Now let's do some stunts. I wish we could do a backflip on it. Well, 360 backflip in the car. That would be awesome! Yeah, just driving along like a toy. Driving along, yeah. Just driving along. Maybe they should stop off for some coffee. Like, it's in the background. Who doesn't want coffee? Coffee, come on, coffee. Coffee.